Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic adventure lined up for you. We're going to take you on a journey through the vibrant heart of Toronto, exploring two iconic neighborhoods on foot, Kensington Market and Chinatown. Kensington Market is an absolute gem right in the heart of the city. It's a bohemian neighborhood steeped in history and character. The moment you step foot here, you're greeted by a burst of colors from the street art that adorns every corner. It's like stepping into a living canvas. And let's talk about the eclectic mix of vintage shops and food stalls. You can find just about anything here, from unique clothing to mouth-watering street food. It's a paradise for shoppers and foodies alike. Now moving on to Chinatown. It's been a part of Toronto since the 19th century, and it's like stepping into a different world. The sights, sounds, and smells of this legendary district are absolutely captivating. From traditional Chinese restaurants to bustling markets, you'll experience it all. Chinatown is a feast for the senses. You'll come across ornate gateways, colorful buildings, and lively street performances that make this neighborhood truly unique. But here's the best part, folks. We're going to explore these neighborhoods on foot, taking you through concealed pathways and back alleys that reveal hidden treasures you might not discover otherwise. From exceptional graffiti art to historic structures, there's something new around every corner. And of course, we've got a little surprise for you. Our tour includes a stop at a local cafe where you can enjoy a cup of coffee or tea and sample some of the local snacks. It's the perfect break in our adventure. So, if you're ready for an unforgettable experience that immerses you in Toronto's culture and history, then exploring Kensington Market and Chinatown on foot is an absolute must. That's it for today's adventure, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting explorations, and as always, stay curious.